Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to receive Ring notifications and access compatible features directly from your wrist, adding the Ring app to your Apple Watch can make things much more convenient. With the proper setup, your Apple Watch can work alongside your iPhone to help you stay informed about activity detected by your Ring devices. Fortunately, the installation process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Before getting started, make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are properly paired and updated. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to add the Ring app to your Apple Watch. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Apple Watch is paired with the iPhone. Step 2. Confirm the Ring app is installed on the iPhone connected to the Apple Watch. Step 3. Open the Watch app associated with the Apple Watch. Step 4. Locate the Ring app within the Apple Watch app list. Step 5. Enable installation of the Ring app on the Apple Watch. Step 6. Verify notifications from the Ring app appear on the Apple Watch.